So I wanted to take a video of what I think is going wrong here with the garage door opener. This piece here is supposed to be lodged back in there, but the tension was set so tight that when it would shut, it wouldn't bounce back up like it was supposed to if it hit something. So when it did hit the top of the car, it kept trying to pull the door down, and it pulled it right out of this compartment. And at some point, whether it was before or after it broke, this pulley is busted too, if you can see that. And you can see the busted piece down in here. And I don't know enough about these, know if this should be moving like this or not. If that's a part of it. It looks like there's a nut underneath that should be tightened. It should have been tightened. Maybe that's why when we tried to adjust it the few times before and we loosened the tension so that it would bounce back up like it should, the garage door wouldn't even go down. It would just catch and then go back up. Like it would go 3 inches and then move back up. And I think it might just be that this thing was moving and it was feeling like it was hitting something, and then it wouldn't shut. So I just want to document this in case anyone tries to say that something was done by the homeowner.